Hello guys, welcome to our chapter on time management in the soft skill and interpersonal communication subject. So in today's fast-paced world, effectively managing our time is crucial for productivity, balance and reaching our goals. Time management is not just about planning our day, but involves understanding our priorities, staying focused and minimizing the distractions. Okay, so in this video, we will explore the core concept of time management and why it is essential for both the personal and professional success. We will also cover the practical tips to help you organize your task, boost your efficiency, and make the most of each day. So let's dive into these strategies to help you take charge of your time and achieve more with less stress. Okay. So at first, the concept of time management. Time management involves making the thoughtful decisions on how we allocate our time among various tasks, obligations, and personal activities. It's not just about doing more, but about doing what truly matters and contribute to our goals. Effective time management requires self discipline, focus, and sometimes the willingness to say no to less critical tasks. By understanding where our time goes and prioritizing wisely, we can achieve more and reduce the stress of the last minute rushes. The foundation of good time management lies in aligning our daily actions with the long term goals and values. So, now the essentials of time management. Effective time management consists of several key elements: the prioritizing task, setting the realistic deadlines, and planning ahead. A clear to do list helps in identifying and focusing on most important tasks. Another essential is flexibility, allowing for adjustment when unexpected events arise. Additionally, avoiding the procrastination and breaking larger tasks into the smaller steps makes the goal more manageable. Together, this essential create a framework for staying organized, maintaining a productivity, and keeping a healthy work-life balance. Okay, so now the time management tips. The practical tips for the time management can significantly improve the daily productivity. Start by creating a daily schedule, highlighting the tasks that align with your priorities. Use tools like Planner or the digital apps to track the deadlines and set the reminders. Avoiding the multitasking, as it can lower the focus. Instead, complete one task before moving on to the next. Implementing the short breaks between the tasks helps to maintain the energy and prevent the burnout. Lastly, review your accomplishment at the end of the day to assess what worked and make adjustment for the future. These simple tips can transform how you approach your day, helping you to stay on track and reduce the stress. So now, thank you for watching this chapter on time management. By understanding the concept and essentials, along with implementing the practical tips, you are well on your way to making the most of your time. Effective time management can help you to achieve more, stay organized, and feel more in control of your life. Remember, it's not about feeling every minute, but about prioritizing what truly matters. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back with Makaut Smasher for more valuable content on personal and professional development. Here is to achieving your goals on day at a time.